I ain't kidding you. I got to roll up some joints and to get to smoking. I ain't taking anything on that Amtrak, and I'm not throwing this shit away either. I feel like a kid that dad found him with a pack of cigarettes to make him smoke the whole thing. That's alright. It's not cigarettes. Yeah, that's the good part.